I know I am stronger than this seems. I am starting this letter for you. You in the future tense. You who cannot sleep. They who worry their blood into fight or flight, freeze. Jose, I am waiting for you. I am counting on your darling buds to bloom. I am waiting on your endless pool of bounty to unfurl my self-acceptance. I am selling a vending machine for $1,500. Please, God. It is worth $3,500, but please, God, make me brand new. Let me cash back in this promise of a world without herbal abuse, verbal misuse, rehearse or refuse, dose, snooze. Life is many humans sleeping, energy on fumes at the exact same time. Like Frederick Mouse, who saved all the colors away for the dark winter, I have hoarded people into fine lines in the crevices of my life, hoping they will never leave me again.